Hey everyone! If you're preparing for the ACT, SAT, or CLT, you might be wondering, what kind of math skills do these tests actually measure? Today, we're going to break it down and explain what each test focuses on, how they're different, and the best way to study for them. Let's get started. Core math skills tested first. Let's talk about the math skills all three tests have in common. No matter which one you take, you'll be tested on these areas: KeyCap 1 Algebra, 40–50%, Solving Equations, Systems of Equations, and Working with Functions. KeyCap 2 Advanced Math, 25–30%, Quadratic Functions, Polynomials, Exponentials, and Logarithms. KeyCap 3 Geometry and Trigonometry, 15–25%, Right Triangles, Circles, and Trigonometric Functions. KeyCap 4 Data Analysis and Problem Solving, 10–20%, Statistics, Ratios, Percentages, and Probability. Now, even though these topics are tested on all three exams, each test does it in a slightly different way. Let's look at how they compare. ACT Math. Fast-paced and direct. The ACT Math section is 60 questions in 60 minutes, which means you have to move fast. This test is very straightforward, but it covers a lot of topics, including more geometry and trigonometry than the other two exams. Checkmark more geometry and trigonometry, around 25% of the test. Checkmark no formula sheet, you have to memorize key formulas. Checkmark calculator allowed the whole time, but don't rely on it too much. Small diamond how to study for ACT Math. 1. Time yourself, speed is key. 2. Memorize formulas, you won't get a reference sheet. 3. Practice geometry and trig, you'll see more of it here than on the SAT or CLT. SAT Math. Algebra-heavy and data-driven SAT Math is split into two sections: a non-calculator section, 25 minutes, 20 questions, and a calculator-allowed section, 55 minutes, 38 questions. It focuses heavily on algebra and data interpretation, and it provides a formula sheet. Checkmark algebra focused, over 50% of the test is algebra. Checkmark more word problems, questions often require multiple steps. Checkmark includes graphs and data analysis, expect to analyze tables and charts. Small diamond how to study for SAT Math. 1. Master algebra, especially equations, systems, and quadratics. 2. Practice mental math, since there's a non-calculator section. 3. Get comfortable with word problems, many require multi-step reasoning. CLT Math. Logical and classical. The CLT Math section is a bit different. It's 40 questions in 120 minutes, so you get more time per question. Instead of rushing, you'll need to focus on logical reasoning, algebra, and classical math concepts. Checkmark more logical problem solving, some questions feel like puzzles. Checkmark no calculator allowed, you'll have to rely on your math skills. Checkmark no formula sheet, so you need to know key formulas by heart. Small diamond how to study for CLT Math. 1. Practice solving problems without a calculator. 2. Strengthen algebra and number sense. 3. Get comfortable with multi-step logic problems. Final study tips. No matter which test you take, here's how to prepare for math. KeyCap 1 Know your strengths. If you're great at algebra, the SAT might be a better fit. If you like fast-paced problem solving, the ACT could be for you. If you prefer logic-based questions, the CLT might be best. KeyCap 2 Practice with real test questions, get familiar with the style of problems you'll see. KeyCap 3 Work on timing, especially for the ACT and SAT. KeyCap 4 Review your mistakes, don't just practice, but learn from every problem. That's it for today. Now that you know the differences between these tests, you can study smarter and improve your score. Good luck, and happy studying.